Welcome back. Today we are going to unbox this original Nick Cutkay custom shop cane knife machete he and my brother put together for me, and we're gonna see what it's like and run it through its paces here. Don't cut yourself getting into the packaging. First thing I have to say is that the factory packaging is quite impressive on this. I really feel like this thing is really well cared for. Just right, going through the mail, because that's important too. It's a sign of quality, they spend the time to package appropriately. Oh, there we go. And look at that. Gotta love it when they double wrap, It's factory. Whoever at the factory wrapped this, good job. My hat's off. Oh yeah, there we go. Wow. This duct tape really sticks. Okay, this is a little excessive on the packaging here. A little over the top. It's left a mark on the patina, so I'm gonna have to ding them a little bit for that. There we go. Look at that. It's a two-hander. Classic. Looking good. All right, let's go try it out. Yeah, that's not bad at all. And it sings. Oh yeah. Not bad. So the patina looks good, except for one weird spot right here, which is probably where the handle of the original saw was. That makes it authentic. And this oak, this faux aged hand torch aged oak, that's impressive. Like the brass rivets through here. This is just a beautiful piece of work. But there's one more test we got to run it through. The coconut test. Ah!